This video shows you how to load data into your app from existing data sets which you have access to with the Data Catalog. From the Cloud Hub, create a new analytic app. When you create a new app, you can click on the Data Catalog button. A list of all the available datasets will appear. You can search for datasets by name. You can filter the available datasets by owner, spaces, creator, or tags. If you want to include a selection of tables or fields from a dataset, click on the dataset name. This opens the Select Fields window. Here you have different views available. The tile view displays available fields with a graphical profile of the data. Depending on the values in the field, each tile displays one of the following visualizations: a list of the top two distinct values from the field with a count of each value's instances, or an area chart showing the range of values with the average value highlighted. The list view shows a summary of information about the fields and their values. You can control what columns are displayed by clicking the column picker and selecting the desired columns. Here you can select values that will be shown in the columns. The data view displays a sample of the data in a table format. You can select whole datasets or pick a selection of fields from the tables in your datasets. When you are done making selections, click Next to view a summary before adding the data to your app. When done, click the Load in the App button. Now, the data has been loaded to your app. If you want to upload more data to the app using Data Catalog, go to the App Overview page, click on the three dots icon, and select Data Catalog. In the Browse Datasets dialog, select the dataset that you want to add to your app. When done, click Next. You can select Continue Browsing to add more data to your app. In this example, select Categories, then select Next. When done, click the Load Data into the App button. Next, select the recommended associations and load the data into the app. Now we are going to explore the data and click the Generate button to create visualizations using Insight Advisor. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.